has a certificate she would like to provide with the leadership of the Malawi Council. So the first row, stand up. Megan, stand up. Come on over. She wants to say a couple words to your efforts here and provide you with a certificate.
Ladies and gentlemen, as I mentioned earlier on, the government of Malawi really appreciates the work that you're doing in Malawi, and in recognition of the efforts that you're making and as a way of encouraging you, we wanted to present to you this certificate just to say we appreciate you and we're very grateful. Good job and keep it up.